Video review, description of the painting turned over to the left side. One side, the tale of the East or the mirror of time. A new look at chaos and order. What happens when the familiar becomes unexpected? When a painting turns over and familiar images are destroyed and reassembled. Today we'll look at this work of art from the other side, literally. What is hidden behind the chaos of lines, the interweaving of colors and the depths of details? At first it may seem that before us is just a stream of colors, reminiscent of a mosaic of accidents. But if you look closely, something more appears. Having turned over to the left side, one side of the painting, we suddenly notice other forms, new entities, as if an abstract riddle waiting to be solved. At first glance, the left side now seems lighter, filled with energy, and the right is immersed in dark swirls, as if reflecting the conflict between light and darkness. Yellow and gold streams resemble the sands of time flowing through the cracks of reality, and the dark areas like black holes draw attention, promising secrets and unknown spaces. What if before us is not just a picture but a portal? On the left, forms resembling a solar disk are visible, as if the luminary is trying to break through the chaos. In the center, there are something resembling figures or faces dissolving in this whirlwind, like ancient spirits frozen in eternity. And on the right, silhouettes of buildings or temples are guessed, perhaps symbolizing the civilization that is struggling with the chaos of nature. By turning the image over, we break its usual interpretation, forcing ourselves to look for new meanings. Maybe this is a metaphor for our world. The boundaries between reality and fantasy blur, creating a multi-layered effects, as if there are several dimensions hidden in the painting. The inverted perspective makes us wonder, how often do we look at the world from only one side? Maybe the truth is revealed when we change our point of view. This work of art reminds us that the chaos and order are just illusions that depend on our view. My question to you, dear viewers, what meaning do you see in this painting? Share your thoughts, because in art, not only images are important, but also interpretation.